Cut through the tape. Take out the accessories box, tank bag, wheel, and the bike. Open the accessories box and take out the headlight, kickstand, pedals, toolkit, chargers, and the manual. Remove the foam cushion and attach the kickstand. Fasten it securely. Cut off cable ties. Remove the foam. Insert the wheel into the fork dropouts. Unscrew the nut cap. Insert the quick release skewer into the front hub from the right side. Insert the spring. Place the cap of the skewer and secure it. Cut off the cable tie and remove the foam. Unscrew the bolt on the head tube and take off the plastic rings. Install the handlebar. Fasten the bolt with the hex wrench. Check flexibility. Secure the side bolts. Detach the foam cushions and the fender. Distinguish the left and right pedals. Install both pedals and tighten them with a wrench. Remove the pre-drilled bolts to attach the front fender. Attach the front fender. Reinstall the bolts and fasten the fender firmly. Install the front light and firmly secure it. Connect the headlight wires. Take the key and unlock the battery. Turn off the battery switch and pull out the battery. Place the battery back and remove the key. Press and hold the power button to turn on the bike. Test the plus and minus gears. Check the front light. Test the turn signals. Check the bell. Check the display settings. Set the pedal assist system gear. Check the throttle and shift. Attach the tank bag onto the bike and buckle it securely. Connect the charger to a power source. It will display green to red when charging. Connect the USB cable to the battery interface to charge your mobile phone. eBike is ready for adventure.